Hello, guys. Good morning. Okay, so we are starting with morning skincare routine right now, and trying to clean my face, and then my face is so dirty. I'm using this. Sorry, as you can see, it's bio carrot. That's what I'm using on my face to clean my face. Yeah, it's about 3 days now I have not cleaned my face, so I think that's why I have not been washing my face and then clean at the same time. Okay, so the second time is clean, a little bit dirty here, so yeah. So if you want, you can get it. It's so nice, it's very good. Your face, guys can use it, ladies can use it. So what I go next is this yeah, that's good. Next, my sunscreen is finished, so the second what I use on my face is this one. I don't know, yeah, this one I use on my face too. So this is what I'm wearing. We are going for house fountain, like we are looking for a room to rent, so like I'm changing my place with. So this is what I'm wearing. Yep. So yeah, let's go. And so I got this one too, so yeah, and I've cleaned some stuff and put inside the fridge. So I don't know, if maybe I'm done, I'll show you the fridge, how my fridge is looking. So yeah, I got this So yeah, when I'm done, I'll show you guys my fridge and how I prepare my food. Okay, so this food for 1 week to 2 weeks food. Yep, so this one is contemporary stew, right? And then jollof rice with salad. If I'm going to work, I'll just pick this one. This week is it's a short week because Independence Day, so 6 March. So I think Tuesday we'll not go to work, or we'll go to work. So maybe it's only Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday I'll go to work. So this is the food for the week, and yeah, that's what I'll be eating for the week. Okay, yeah, so what I went for market, this is what I okay. Ade, do wash dana. Hello, good morning, guys. Serious, I've been working. Come on, bro. A lot of stuff I'm doing. I don't know what to do. I don't have any help. I came around 7 something, and then I started working. I think this one I have to continue by tomorrow, because I don't know the time I'll finish this work. Okay, so yeah, today this is what I'm doing. So I just finished eating, and I'm glad you watched the video, and give a subscribe.